To show battery level of your Galaxy Buds Live on your home screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to add battery info widget for your Galaxy Buds Live to the home screen. To do so, long tap on an empty area on your home screen to go to the home screen edit screen. And then tap widget. Scroll down the widget screen to find Galaxy Buds Live Manager. Tap Galaxy Buds Live Manager. Tap and hold battery info widget and then drag it to the desired position on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. If needed, you can customize this widget to fit with your need. You can set the background color to black or white when the dark mode on your phone is off. You can also adjust the widget transparency level. And you can decide whether you like to match the background color with the dark mode or not when the dark mode on your phone is on. Once done, tap Save button to save the change. Tap anywhere on the screen. While you are using your Galaxy Buds Live, this widget will show you the battery level of the left earbud, right earbud, and the case. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.